Hi friends, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful swirl crochet motif piece. I will be using a 3.5. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to go ahead and take our yarn, secure it, and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and single crochet into that first chain, or you can slip stitch. Chain 1. We are going to place 12 single crochets in this circle space here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to slip stitch into that first chain space there, and that's the center of our piece ready. Chain 1, and see in that first chain space there, place a single crochet. In that second chain space there, place a half double crochet. In the third chain space there, double crochet. Now we're going to double crochet all the way around. However, in every other chain, we're going to do 2 double crochets because we need to expand our work a little bit. If we carry on just double crocheting around this, our work will cave in like this. So I've done 1 double crochet here. I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the next chain space. In the next chain space, I'm going to do 1 double crochet. In the next chain space, we're going to do 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain space, 2 double crochet in the next chain space, double crochet, 2 double crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next space, 1 double crochet in the next space. Now we've double crocheted, 2 double crocheted all the way around. We want to carry on double crocheting around. That's what's going to make the swirl pattern. So in the next chain space, 1 double crochet. In the next chain space, 2 double crochet. Carry on working in your chains with a double crochet and then 2 double crochets in the next until you're happy with the size of your swirl. So I'm going to go ahead and place a few more because I don't want a huge swirl. I want like a medium-ish sized one. So I'm going to stop here. That's what my work is looking like so far. We're going to chain 1, turn the work around, and we are going to single crochet in these back chains here. All right, go in both chains. So just a simple single crochet all the way around. Now I've single crocheted all the way around. I'm also going to get into that really last stitch there. Now we're going to bend our work back and we need to place single crochets in the previous rows, in the chains in the previous rows. That's what's going to give it that 3D effect. So bend the work back and single crochet on top of the double crochet stitches that you've placed. So just to give you a side view, it's going to look like this. And that is what we're going to do all the way around. just want to show you what that's looking like so far. So can you see how we've now made the previous rows 3D? So we want to go ahead and single crochet all the way around and also inside here. You want to get into the very last stitch, literally until you've got no more room to place single crochets anymore. So I've now reached the end. And to finish off, you would snip your yarn and just weave it through the single crochet spaces or the work that you've done there. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Please like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Also, I have so many different videos showing how to make crochet motifs, also how to stitch these together as well. Please go ahead and check those out as well. Have a blessed day. Bye.